everyone, it's Adele from REEP, and today we'll be making these Shakespeare-inspired theatre posters, which could have been used in the Elizabethan times to advertise his plays. Let's get started. For this activity, you'll need a black tea bag with a small bowl of water, coloured pens or pencils, and a sheet of A4 white paper. I've also covered my work surface with newspaper because this can be a bit messy. Dampen your tea bag in the bowl of water and wring out any excess water. Then start to cover your sheet of paper. You'll need to go back and dampen your tea bag a few times to cover the entire sheet. You can apply more tea stains to the edges of the page to make it darker and a more aged effect. Once it's dry, I'm also going to rip away at the edges to make the paper seem really old. If you've got more time than me, leave your paper for a few hours to completely dry. But I'm using a hairdryer on a low setting to get mine dried quicker. Once your paper is bone dry and you've added any extra details, such as ripping the edges like I have, it's time to draw on your design. I chose to advertise A Midsummer Night's Dream because I remember performing this play at school and I was really captivated by the man with the donkey's head. What play are you going to choose? Did you know there are at least 37 Shakespeare plays to choose from? I'm also sticking with black marker pens for my design, but you can use whatever colours you like. I found a thick black marker pen which will help make some interesting calligraphy, like I'm doing here. I'm also using the example on the worksheet to help me with my design, and you can do that too. But don't be afraid to be creative and come up with something completely different. You can include as many details as you like, such as the dates and times of the performances, or even olden day prices. Why not also bring the poster to life by drawing some of your favourite characters, or even writing a famous quote for people to listen out for? This is my finished poster. I'm sure you can do so much better and we'd love to see what you come up with, so please share your poster designs with us at REEP by tagging us on Instagram or on Facebook. I hope you've enjoyed this fun Shakespeare activity, and thanks for watching. See you again soon.